Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing good. This is Tutor Hira, and it's time for grade 8 language class. In this class, we are going to discuss the chapter 35, Analogies. Log into A Plus program and move to grade 8 language arts section. The lesson 1 is Analogies. Okay, what are analogies? Analogies show relationships between two pairs of words. What is it? Analogies show the relationship between two pairs of words. Okay, now let's say between two pairs of words, what kind of relationships can there be? Finger is to hand as petal is to flower. Finger is to hand as petal is to flower. So finger, hand, petal, and flower. These are two pairs of words. And these two pairs of words, what is the relationship between these two pairs of words? A finger is part of a hand. A finger is part of a hand. And a petal is part of a flower. So here it is part and whole relationship. Part and whole relationship. So these two pairs have a part and whole relationship. Here are some common analogy relationships. Number one, these pairs of words which have some relationship, they can have they can be synonyms. Like nice is a synonym of kind, right? Here are some common analogy relationships. These pairs of words can show these kind of relationships like synonyms. Number two, antonyms. Awake is an antonym of asleep, opposites. Number three, degree. Cool is like cold but less extreme. So it shows the degree, but cool is like cold but less extreme in degree. So two words can have this kind of relationship as well. Cause and effect. A joke tends to cause laughter. So what does a joke cause? Laughter. So cause and effect. What can be the effect of joke? It can be laughter. So cause and effect can also be a relationship between two words. So analogies. Part and whole. A finger is part of a hand. Then number 6. Item and category. Well, a cat is a kind of animal. A cat is an item of the category animal. If animal is the category, a cat is the item of this category. Then comes number 7, item and purpose. The purpose of a pen is to write. So, what is the item? Pen is the item, and its purpose is to write. Number 8, worker and tool. An artist uses a paintbrush as a tool. So, artist, worker, what is its tool? What is the tool of this worker? Paint. So, these are the common analogy relationships. Either the word pairs of words can be synonyms, antonyms, there are relationship of degree or cause and effect, part and whole, item and category means one thing can be an item of of the category of a certain category. Item and purpose, one word is the name of an item and the second word is the purpose of that item. Okay, worker and tool, one word can be the name of the worker and the other word can be the tool that worker uses. And the last one can be worker and product. A writer is a person who creates a book. So writer is to book. Writer is the worker and its product is a book. So these were the common analogy relationships. Quiet is to silent as mean is to, yeah, cruel. Because quiet and silent are synonyms. Okay, quiet is to silent as mean is to. Now look at this first pair. Quiet is to silent means quiet and silent. What is the relationship between this pair? Quiet and it means they are synonyms. As mean is to. Now you have to find a word which is a synonym of mean. Is this nice or cruel? Obviously, mean and nice are opposite. Mean and cruel can be the synonyms, right? So this is the option. It completes this analogy. The word cruel, if it is added to this pair of words, mean it completes a relationship between these two pairs. So it completes the analogy. Front is to back as grumpy is to front is to back. Front back means front and back they are antonyms. So the relationship between this pair is of antonyms. So grumpy means mhm, grumpy is to pleasure or happy. Grumpy means sad. So what is its opposite? Yeah, happy. Staple is to fasten as knife is to. Hmm. Staple. Staple is used to fasten. So what is it? Item and its purpose. The staple is the name of an item and its purpose is to fasten. Item and purpose. As knife is to. Now, if knife is the item, what is its purpose? Cut or barber? Very easy. It's cut. And staple is to fasten its item and purpose. Sparrow is to animal as broccoli is to sugar or vegetable. Well, sparrow is the name of a certain animal. So, item and animal is category. Item and category. Sparrow is an item of this category. That broccoli is the item. If broccoli is the item, and what is the category? Sugar or vegetable? Broccoli is the name of a vegetable. So vegetable is the answer. Tiredness is to sleep, as curiosity is to. What kind of relationship does this analogy have? Tiredness is to sleep. If tiredness is the cause, sleep is the effect. Cause and effect. And if curiosity is the cause, what is the effect? Exploration over student. Can you tell me in the comment section? Cause and effect. If curiosity is the cause, what is the effect? Exploration or student? Well, yes, if curiosity is the cause, exploration is the effect. Cure is to heal, as by is to. Cure is to heal. Cure and heal. What are they? What kind of relationship does this pair of words have? Synonyms, right? Cure is to heal. They are synonyms. What is the synonym of buy, purchase, or customer? Again, it's easy for you to decide, to guess. Buy and purchase are synonyms. So let's select it. You have to guess the relationship between the pairs of words. One pair of words, then guess it for the other one. Ohio is to United States as Earth is to hmm, solar system or Venus. Ohio, it's a city or state in United States. So Ohio is a part of the whole. And Earth, if Earth is a part, and what is the part, which, what is the whole? The solar system or Venus? So yes, Earth and whole. Which one is correct? Option one. It's the chapter named Analogies, chapter number 35. Little is to small. Little is to small. Now tell me the relationship. Guess what is the relationship between these two words of the pair? Little and small. Do they have same meaning? Well, they have same meaning. They are synonyms. So little is to small as smart is to Now you have to complete this pair as well, with which has the same relationship. Now, what is the synonym of smart? Wisdom or intelligent? Which one? As smart is to intelligent. Now, these two words have the same relationship as this pair. So, select the center. Page is to book, as tree is to page is to book. Part of a whole, part and whole. Page is to book. Page is a part of this whole book. Now you have to find a relationship in the other pair, which is same like part and whole. So tree, if tree is a part, what is the whole? Forest or leaf? One or two? Well, if they have part and whole relationship, tree is a part of the whole. Yes, good job. It's option one, forest. Somebody answered in the comment section. Very good. It is to assist. Aid is to assist. Aid means assist. They have synonyms relationship. This pairs of words, pair of words. What kind of relationship does it have? Aid is to assist. Relationship is of synonyms. They are synonyms. Now find the synonym of instructor. Instructor is to educator or teach. Well, if aid and assist are synonyms, they have same meanings. Instructor and educator have same meaning, so they are also the synonyms. So option one is correct. Oh, I didn't get it. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, aid is used as a noun. A person, hmm, purpose of an instructor. So, relationship is between, look at this. Aid is to assist as instructor is to. So the relationship between aid and assist is the purpose of an aid. So here aid is used as a noun. A person who assists, whose purpose is to assist. So you need to find the answer choice that has the same relationship. In that way, the purpose of an instructor is to teach. Yes. So we got it. I was considering aid as another word. That way it was. Dislike is to hate, as ask is to okay. Degree. Dislike is to hate. Dislike is less severe in degree, less severe than hate. As ask is to, yes, you were right. I am not sure about your name. Kibrom, you were right. Now answer this one as well. Dislike is to hate. Dislike is less severe than hate in degree. So, what is less severe than or higher in degree? Less or higher in degree than ask is to beg or answer. Yes, you're right. Option one, beg. Dislike is less severe in degree than hate. In the same way, ask is than less in degree than beg. So yeah, it's correct. Baker is to cakes. Worker and its purpose. Worker and its product. If baker is the worker, what is its product? Cakes. And if carpenter is the worker, what is its product? Cabinets or wood? Makes cakes. What does a carpenter make? Cabinets or wood? Baker is to cakes. If the baker, this analogy has a worker product relationship. If baker is the worker, his product is cakes. If carpenter is the worker, what is his product? Cabinets or wood? Yeah. You're right, Kibram. It's cabinets. Good job. Okay, so Kibram, I hope you understand what is the relationship and what is analogies. What is the relationship between pairs of words? There are certain relationships that we can find between these pairs of words. We have discussed almost most of them. So I'm going to stop here because the time is already up. I'll see you again this week. Till then, you can complete the remaining questions in the test and learn more about this topic. Till then, have a great time. Bye.